guys, welcome back to another episode of and today we're gonna be opening this. It is a Akedo.
Starter pack.
And before we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I don't know what else I'm supposed to say.
Okay, so we should get right into opening these.
Yeah, and I bring a special guest today. Guys, we have a special guest. Look, I wonder how I open this. Caleb. He's gonna get a tag on him saying no.
We're outside. It might start raining, right?
Well, we have the on and up. So
Snip, snip.
we're opening
Careful with scissors, kids. You
And
can rip that now, right?
He's opening it, and he's opening it, and he's struggling now. Now he's struggling, and now he's opening. Now he's struggling again. Now he's struggling.
Guys, this is plastic and these are scissors. Scissors are sharp. Okay, so I got them. And this is 2 layers of plastic. And they just cut right through it like it was nothing. That's powerful scissors.
I'm just gonna be sitting here watching him unbox today.
And then you're going to battle with one of the characters, right?
No.
We are.
Okay.
We might have to go somewhere else.
It has like an arcade theme on it. It has little buttons and joystick pictures.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It's supposed to be like a big arcade machine or something.
Yeah, but no.
Now you can just rip it out of there, probably.
No, I tried already. Need this
Comment
side.
down below if you have one of these.
2 hours later.
Why'd you say that?
That's how long it takes to open the box.
No.
Careful, Ira.
Look, it takes him 3 seconds.
Be safe with scissors, kids.
Yeah.
Rip it. There you go. Rip him. What's that noise?
Our dog!
This cat wasn't barking?
Cats don't bark. That's a dog.
Oh.
Never get mistaken with that, kids.
Well, if your cat ever barks, what do? Take him to the vet?
Yeah. Because then they would be broken.
This cat's faulty functioning.
Comment down below if you also have a cat or a dog.
This cat's malfunctioning. He's barking. Whoa, is it gonna rain? Might see some rain. We're under the awning of the RV, right?
Yeah.
So bring the rain on.
Okay, got it open.
Is there anything in this part down below?
Pink.
Some extra stuff?
No.
You get nothing extra.
Nope. No.
I'm gonna
Nothing
choose
at
my
all.
battle character
Some
for battling.
instructions.
I get.
I want to choose this one.
How many characters are in there?
Oh wait, there's only one of these, so you can't battle.
Are you serious? Okay, don't buy
I
the
guess
set,
you can
kids.
only train with the dummy.
Because what a ripoff.
You can dummy train,
I guess.
and then you can get another one of those. Dummy train. I wrote dummy
Somewhere
train.
probably in storage we have another one of those, right?
No, I think we have some more here. He's gonna dummy train right now.
Yeah.
He's gonna dummy train with this little dummy it comes with.
Oh, yes.
It comes with the dummy
Hold
that
that up
has,
to the camera when you can.
has a suction cup on it. The dummy, you guys can see, that's a dummy. Has the target, you hit the face.
Okay, I already got
Really cool.
Okay.
Hold that one up, Ira. Let's see the one you got out. Hold it up for still for a second so we can see it. What kind of character is that?
There's a checklist. I did that.
And then get the dummy. Hi-yo! Hi-yo! So let's take this off. Is that supposed to come off? How do you put them back together? Oh, gee.
Okay,
Buddy, cam apart. Okay, get the
Okay.
dummy. Let's make it fight.
3, 2, 1. Can't fight out here. There's nothing but suction cup.
Yeah, we know. But
Put it on this maybe. On this cardboard
Yeah.
they came with.
wait, this can be like the battlefield. Battlefield!
Battlefield engage!
No, engage. No, I don't think so today. Ready, set, hi-yo, hi-yo, hi-yo.
Never engage on a Friday.
He has a beautiful arm. It looks like his arm is like broken because
This video is called Playing with Scissors.
No, it's not. Always have a parent around when you're cutting. What's the
No
scissors.
kidding.
Which we have a parent behind you, which you've only seen in one video.
No, not two.
Don't make me be a real parent, please. They break? Probably supposed to fall apart, right?
No.
It's broken?
What?
No.
Yeah, it doesn't come back together.
Let me see. Hold it up here.
Wait, 1 second. Let me try to fix it.
It has to. They're supposed to fall apart, right?
No, their heads are only supposed to go like this.
Do you think somebody can help?
What? This doesn't make sense. Okay, this one's garbage.
Whoa. Alright, boys and girls. Don't buy this toy, right?
Yeah, but I need some help getting this on someday. If anybody have this, bad choice, every kid.
It's easy
Good thing
to...
we bought it on clearance, right? For like $5.
No, that goes back together when it comes off.
Oh, dude.
Let me see the broken one. Put it in my hand, Wynnie. Interesting. I bet I could fix this when I don't have a camera in my hand. Guys, I think I can fix this, okay?
Okay.
But when I don't have a camera, I have to do it later.
Oh, dude. Alright. Oh, look, it's the dummy. Let's see if he breaks. Does he break? Come on, break, dummy. Okay, that's good.
Actually, he does.
No.
The dummy goes in half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can play on when you chop it
break
in half.
apart.
He has lots of health, though. It's hard to knock his head off.
Because he's a dummy.
Yeah, and he's made of...
Hey, be nice.
like you.
Hey, are you pointing at the kids at home?
No, we're pointing at you.
You're pointing at the kids at home.
No, the filmer. We're pointing at the
You
filmer.
gotta be nice to these people so they subscribe, Wynnie.
We're pointing.
You guys
Let's point at the filmer. I'm pointing at the filmer, which is our cameraman.
Father filmer.
No, our cameraman, not our father.
You have your own cameraman?
Yeah.
You must be famous.
We're rich.
You have like 72 subscribers.
No.
Oh, you lost one.
Here is your character. Me. He has a fireball.
Yeah, you gonna
Do you
get
think he's
Does
gonna,
he stick on there?
guys? Do you think he's gonna get oofed because he has fire on his hand?
I don't know, but Ira's licking toys over here.
It's
so
gonna,
that's kinda
it's gonna
weird.
melt him. He's gonna melt.
Did I see you lick a toy, Ira? Oh my god. Are you hungry? We have real food inside.
No, it's how
We
you.
don't.
We do, kids. We have food. We promise. We feed our kids.
Feed us plastic.
Think
Yeah.
about it, Dad.
We only feed you toys that are on clearance.
No.
Want some ketchup with that? Okay, kids,
We
don't
only
put
have-
toys in your
We
mouth.
only have plastic ketchup. It's made of plastic.
Tell them not to put toys in their mouth.
Please put toys in your mouth.
Come on.
Please don't, actually,
Don't.
everybody. Your mom's gonna get mad at you
Yeah.
and then put you in
Make
timeout.
you unsubscribe or something.
If you don't subscribe, your mom's gonna put you in timeout for 3 hours. I'm serious. They're gonna put you in timeout.
Who, me? The filmer?
Well, don't buy this.
The kids.
Kids.
Yeah.
Don't buy it. It's not a recommended.
No,
Why?
it's very.
Falling
It
apart.
came with one of these. Can't battle.
Yeah.
And that toy broke.
Why didn't it come with two?
So, I don't.
Now. I'm gonna finish the camera.
Really?
Fist bump, everybody.
Explosion.
Right, can you guys see?
No, we're.
Wait, you guys are going into the news cave. Boop.
Lit.
It's so short, isn't it? I'm gonna test out the dummy. The bare hand.
This is hard to get on.
Oh, yay. Dummy dies immediately.
Wait, did you twist it, Ira?
What?
You got twisted on there?
That doesn't look so
Oh, there you go. Alright. Oh, neat. That's cool. Alright, let's see a battle, then we're out of here.
Let's see a battle, everybody. 3, 2,
goes.
1, start.
Oh!
He didn't die. Dummy's still working.
You went flying.
Come on. Who's gonna win? Come on,
I jump. Go, Ira, go, Ira, go, battle horse.
There he goes. He's chopped. All right, guys. What
Why
do you think?
are you eating it, Dobby?
We're out of here, guys.
That's gonna make your brain
Let's say bye to everybody. We'll see you soon with some
also
better
listen-
videos. We'll have some better videos
Never
soon, I
let him
promise.
go to your house or else he'll eat all your toys.
We're gonna do a house tour in a couple days, right? Of our new house that
I
we're gonna move
definitely-
into.
I definitely didn't say no.
We've been in our RV a year and a half. We're gonna finally move into our house very, very soon.
No.
And we're gonna give a tour, right? An early tour,
Not right now.
right? But in a couple days, right? Okay, say bye, guys.
Wait.
Make sure to always.
Before we go fist bump, and don't forget to have a great adventure. Wait, I mean, I messed up. Guys, you can edit that part, I think.
But what do we tell the kids?
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and always have a great adventure.